lovelies, and welcome to Not Too Late Natural Hair. I'm Lisa. Well, guess what I got? Got some new products to try that I purchased. Shimmering Lights for Blonde. And I'll do that in another video. And I have the Olaplex number 4 and 5. That is the shampoo and conditioner. And I restocked on Olaplex number 3. So these are like $28 each, very expensive. And I think this was $28 also. So that being said, the price you have to pay, whew, it's a lot. So anyway, my hair is damp. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to test out the Olaplex number 4 and 5 and 3, 4, 5. I already did 3 in my previous videos. And I'm just going to test out the shampoo and conditioner on my hair. Okay, so first, my hair is damp. And let me get the other one. Okay, I'm going to use this Olaplex 3 because this one was already open. So my hair is already damp. These are all sulfate free. The number 3 is to repair and strengthen all hair types. So, oops, uh-oh. Oh my goodness, I'm just making a mess of myself. So I'm just gonna rub a generous amount in my hair and just work the product through. This is a crazy weather. Crazy weather. It's like so sunny and nice, and then yet it's gonna be freezing. I still have my heat on at nighttime or in the daytime, depending on how the day is. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, now that I've worked the product in, I'm just gonna put a shower cap on and leave it on for about 10 minutes or so. Okay, I'm gonna rinse out my hair. It's been about 10 minutes. Okay, on to number 4. If I can open it. It's shampoo stick. Smells okay. I want to say like it had like a not pineapple, but it has like a citrusy. Okay, normally I shampoo my hair twice. I'm gonna do it once. Now on to number 5. This is a bond maintenance conditioner. It repairs, strengthens, and hydrates all type hair. One thing I did notice about the shampoo as I was rinsing it out is that my hair felt, around the roots, felt a little thicker. It felt almost as if I had something in it while I was rinsing out, but no. So this one is apply number 5 and leave in for 3 minutes, then rinse. I gotta take the seal off. Okay. I'm just gonna squirt it out in my hand this way, a good chunk. Whoa. That's a lot, huh? But with any type hair, you do need a lot of conditioner, but Not to the point that I just did. And I just want to say again, thank you to whoever is out there watching my videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. As you can see, I don't have a lot of subscribers and I really don't care. But it's the few that I have that keeps coming back and watching my videos that I really appreciate, because we're building that bond. You know what I'm trying to say? So it's from one lovely lady to another lovely lady, just sharing tips and sharing our journey, because everybody knows when you get your hair done, you're looking good and fly and sexy, and you got it going on. Your hair is power, but you are power also. It's not just your hair, it's everything about you. You have power. We all have power. You just don't realize it or remember it all the time, but we have power. Alrighty, so I am going to put a plastic cap on. And I'm actually going to do 10 minutes, not the 3. Sometimes you do follow the instructions that are on the thing, especially if you're doing purple shampoo, blue shampoo, otherwise it will turn your hair another color. That's coming up in the next couple of videos, because my hair does look a little brassy at the roots, or even right here. So when you have blonde hair, you gotta take the brass out a little bit. Do it like once a month or so. To each his own, know your hair. So that being said, lesson learned. When I had blonde 2 years ago and 2 years prior to that, I would use the purple shampoo like every week, and it dried up my hair, changed color and everything. So you live and you learn. So that being said, I have to say, even though this was a journey to get this platinum blonde. Hold on. The dog's always trying to come in when I film it. The thing is that I have to say my hair is the healthiest. Also, the difference is I am blonde this time as a natural. The last 2 times was when my hair was relaxed. So I don't know if that played a factor in it, but I think it's a little bit healthier. And they always said that when you're natural to go blonde, it's better too. But like I said, know your hair. The only issue I see upcoming is I love the beach. So what am I gonna do in the summertime? So, you know, people have been telling me, you know, put like a coat, or, you know, wrap it up and protect it. But I'm the kind of girl that don't like to cover my hair in the summertime. So that's gonna be interesting, and you're gonna join me on that journey, God's willing. So let me put this cap on and condition my hair. I'm going to use a towel on my hair. I'm gonna use It's a 10 leave-in product. I'm just gonna comb it through. Oopsie-doo. One of the dogs is in here with me. The other one is on the other side of the door. Okay. And let me get the gel. Normally I add in Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner, but I'm just gonna go with the Paul Mitchell Sculpting Foam. And by the way, I do like the Olaplex conditioner and shampoo in combination with the number 3. I don't know why my hair smells like coconut now. None of the products have coconut. I'm just smelling coconut for some reason. So that was the Paul Mitchell Sculpting Foam. And now, my Olaplex moisturizing gel. Well, moisturizing styling gel curl quencher. I'm gonna do something a little bit different also. I like to switch things up, but still using the same products. Almost the same products. I eliminate one or two now and then. All right, I'm gonna do something different. Okay, and this is the Olaplex. This is the Olaplex Mongongo oil. I said it right. And I'm actually going to apply it when my hair is wet. And I'm just going to work the product through. So my hair always looks okay when I wash it. It's always when I sleep. I have my scarf on and everything, but the sides and everything just gets crushed. Crushed, like everything's smushed, not crushed. By the way, those products were delivered on a Sunday. I didn't know Amazon delivers on a Sunday. And the Olaplex, Amazon is the only place I know so far that you can get it. And that's of course if your hairdresser sells it. But the shimmering lights and those other stuff, I hear that you can get it at Walmart, Sally's, and all those other places. And if you notice, over there, I just put my favorites now. Well, the ones I've been currently using. And I'm actually going to give the others away to family and friends if they want it. I know my son is a big fan of the, it's a 10. So just a quick note. I don't know if I told you or if I forgot to tell you or if you remember. My son is in Germany, right? Trying to do soccer. And he paid for it himself. Worked, saved up, and sent himself over there. And they don't realize how much you do for them until they have to pay for it out of pocket themselves. But anyway, side note is that I was speaking to him the other day. I was FaceTiming him, and I was like, Justin, are you washing your hair conditioner? Yeah, he's conditioning his hair. I said, are you combing through your hair with a conditioner? No. Really? Did you see my video on that? After the struggle that I went through just to do your hair and showed you the purpose of combing through your hair and detangling your hair? Why are boys so stubborn? Oh my gosh. Stubborn, stubborn, stubborn. Do you know the apple doesn't fall far from one of the trees? Is it my tree? Or is it his father's tree? Or is it both? Anyway, my lovelies, I have the gift of gab. I'll tell you a little joke. I had a coworker years ago when I was younger, and she would talk a little bit more than me. And she's always talking and, you know, kind of like a, you know, I think I told the story already. So anyway, the boss at the time called her Chief Running Mouth. And that always stuck in my head. And that's what I used to say to my son when he was younger. But then when they reach teenage years, they don't want to say anything at all. Weird. So, okay. I don't want to put too much gel in there because the gel is expensive. I don't know if I should put some more on the sides just to try and hold those curls. I think I will. So I didn't film this, but I did for the first time since turning blonde natural. I twisted my hair instead of just wearing it like this, and it wasn't dry. I had too much product in it. Did I film it? No, I didn't. It had too much, maybe I did, I don't know. It had too much product in there. And so in the morning it wasn't dry. So you know, my natural ladies, if your hair is not dry, curl won't come out right. It was almost gonna rhyme with if the glove don't fit. So anyway, this is it. I'm just gonna let it air dry. It's like 7:30, so I have enough time to watch The Real Housewives of Atlanta, the new Married to Medicine in LA, California. I have a couple of hours before I go to bed, and I think I may sit in the dryer for about 10-15 minutes, then watch my shows. Well, once again, thank you for putting up with my mouth and gabbing. And remember, what are we going to remember today, ladies? We're going to remember that it's not too late to remember that you have power and that you're beautiful. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Had a wonderful week. Have a wonderful week. Have a wonderful weekend. Have a wonderful life. And remember the power that you hold within yourself. I love you, and I'll see you next time, God's willing. Peace, love. Bye.